wash with my smooth golden skin and tender mild flesh. And rich in vitamin C and fiber, excellent for your digestion and immunity. Grill meat, roast meat, or add meat to stir fries for a tasty and healthy dish. 10.
Zucchini. Hi, green veggie fans! I'm Zucchini with my dark green skin and mild, tender flesh. I'm versatile and can be used in many dishes. I'm full of vitamin C and potassium, supporting your health. Enjoy me grilled, sautéed, or spiralized into noodles.
10. Zinfandel grape. Hi grape lovers, I'm Zinfandel grape with my dark purple skin and juicy sweet flesh. I'm packed with antioxidants and vitamins, great for your heart and immune system. Enjoy me fresh, dried as raisins, or as a refreshing juice.
11. Yuzu. Hello, citrus seekers. I'm Yuzu with my bumpy yellow skin and tangy, aromatic juice. I taste like a mix of lemon, lime, and grapefruit. I'm rich in vitamin C, boosting your immunity. Use my juice in marinades, dressings, or as a refreshing drink.
Today, we're diving into a new adventure with fruits and vegetables starting with the letters W, X, Y, and Z. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our exciting educational videos. Let's get started and meet our colorful, tasty friends, beloved kids. Thank you for joining us on this fun-filled adventure through the world of fruits and veggies, starting with W, X, Y, and Z. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational videos. We will come with another topic of education videos for you for our beloved kids. We love having you with us, and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye for now.